We purchased a DPA for Splash Mountain. It was the first big roller coaster for my 3-year-old and my 8-year-old. My 3-year-old just made the height restrictions, and we were so thrilled that she can be part of this experience with the family. She admired her height certification. We as parents were a bit unsure about how the children would love this ride or if they would be really scared. The theming of the ride once again was amazing. The ride itself was awesome. Let's check it out together. We have a few angles and some super slow-mo so you can experience the ride with us. Look at these fellas. The children loved the ride after the ride was over, as they experienced a couple of scary moments. It is a bit of a drop, but a refreshing one. Big Thunder Mountain was closed for scheduled maintenance and we missed the ride. Let me know your experience if you have been on that ride before. Something you must know is that this version of Splash Mountain at Tokyo Disneyland is now the only place in the world where you can still experience the original Splash Mountain ride, as versions in other countries have now been rethemed.